Hi friends, today we will learn how to convert slide body to word art in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to convert slide body to word art in this presentation. Firstly, select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Then click the word art option, then choose any word art. Then we can see here convert this text to word art very easily. Then we can select the text, then again apply the same process. Now we can see we convert slide body to word art in this presentation very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.